Very good morning, all the students of fifth standard, and as we know that we are learning 10th lesson of our histories. Page number 46 is going on historic period. This lesson is there. Now, yesterday we have studied about the rise of early civilizations and which factors are responsible for the rise of early civilizations. Today we will see the next one. These civilizations came into existence in the roughly the same period, that is around 3000 BC. So these civilizations or the early civilizations or well developed civilizations, it came into existence in roughly, generally, means not exactly fixed there, roughly if you say that, means nearby, in the period that is the 3000 BC, BCC, before Christ, when the year began to be count. From that time it is called as AD or CE, Christian era or Anno Domini we can call. But before the birth of Jesus Christ there, when there was no counting of years, when they were not considered year in number, to that we can call as a BCE, before the Christian era, before the birth of Jesus Christ there. So before the 3000 BCE, in a four region of the world. So these are civilizations, early civilization, which is well developed civilization. It's came into be exist into the four part or into the four region of the world. They are Mesopotamia in Egypt. Mesopotamia in Egypt. Here in a map also we will get the information. Egypt is there, Mesopotamia in Egypt. In a map you will get the proper correct informations. In Egypt, Mesopotamia is there. Next, the Indian subcontinent and China. Mesopotamia is there, Egypt is there, and Indian subcontinent and China. So in this four region, wherever the yellow colored dots are there, their early civilization started to be flourish, or it came into be existence. Yellow colored dots in a map. Near the Egypt is there, yellow colored dot, and Mesopotamia is there. There is also Harappan civilizations, Sindhu river valley is there, and in China also Yangtze rivers there. So these were the four places where the early civilizations or ancient urban civilizations started to be flourish. Means wherever the water sources are there, on the bank of the river only this civilization flourish. In index also we will get the information of this map. Index white colors is there. So rivers line is there, and ancient urban civilization yellow colors there dot. The civilization in these four regions developed in river valleys. So these civilizations, early civilization, it started to be developed into the river valleys there. Wherever the river valleys are there, it started to be developed. Hence they are called as a riverine civilizations. It's developed into the river regions, on the bank of the river only. So because it is developed on the bank of the river, this civilization is known, or it is called as a riverine civilizations. Ancient civilizations also we can call ancient urban civilization, or in another way, in another word we can call it as a riverine civilization. So what is meant by riverine civilizations? The civilization which is developed in the river valleys, that civilization is called as a riverine civilization. So we can tell the answer. So four civilizations were there developed on the bank of the river. That these four civilizations we shall study in one by one. Among that, now point number 10.3 means the 10th is a lesson. Our 10th lesson is there, so 10. In this lesson, third point, ancient riverine civilizations. What is mean by now ancient riverine civilizations or urban civilizations also we can say. In these four parts were there, four regions were there: Mesopotamia, Egypt, China and Harappa. So first of all, we shall study about the Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is the name of the region and not of any particular country. Mesopotamia means what is? It is the name of the region there. It is not name of any particular country there. So this Mesopotamia is a name of the region there, not a name of any country. So this is first information. Mesopotamia means it is the name of the region. We should not be considered Mesopotamia is of any one country there. It is the name of the region or the area there. It means that land between the two rivers. What is mean by now Mesopotamia? Mesopotamia means land or the region between the two rivers. A land or the region which is situated between the two rivers. For example, these are the two rivers are flowing there. Like in this two rivers are, this one river is there and this one river is there. For this one river and this one river, two rivers are flowing, and between these two river, what is the land is there? For example, suppose this is the land. Okay, so this land is called as a river. Like in this, I will show that. For example, my two fingers are there. So between this one river is there, this one river. Two rivers are flowing, and this is key in middle. It is considered as a land. For example, it is a land. So the land between the two river is called as a Mesopotamia. So particularly the Mesopotamia means a land between the two rivers. Ancient Mesopotamia was the land between the two rivers. So this in ancient time, this Mesopotamia is a land between the two rivers. That is the two, which are the two rivers? River Tigris and Euphrates. In a map also, in textbook, you will get this name, Tigris rivers and Euphrates rivers. Between the two rivers, whatever the land is there, that land is called or considered as a Mesopotamia. These two rivers mainly flow through the Turkey there. These two rivers mainly they flow through the Turkey. Turkey is the name of the country. So Tigris river and Euphrates rivers, they flow through the Turkey, Syria and Iraq. Means these rivers flow through the three countries. Turkey is country, Syria is also one country, and Iraq is also one country. So between these three countries, these two rivers flow there. Ancient Mesopotamia had great cities. In Mesopotamia, in ancient time, it had a great cities there. Some cities were very famous from this Mesopotamia civilizations. The cities were such as Ur, Uruk and Nippur. These were the famous cities from the Mesopotamia civilizations, Ur, Uruk and Nippur. These cities were home to very prosperous cultures, and these cities, Ur, Uruk and Nippur, these cities were very famous, very prosperous for their culture, for their traditions. So this one informations we have studied in today's video. When we will come tomorrow, then tomorrow will come with the next one point. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.